Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paid Trader. As you guys well know by now, Donald Trump is now the new president of the United States of America, president-elect. The markets have been on a tear, have been in a crazy tizzy for the past few hours here. Actually, I've been watching the markets for probably about the past 6, 7 hours, and it's been unbelievable to watch. Earlier this week, I sent out a warning telling everyone to stay out of the market this week. Many of you heeded my warning, and unfortunately, many of you didn't. And I've got a few messages, and quite a few people are feeling the pain, feeling the hurt. So, guys, I've been doing this for a long time. Trust me when I say, to stay out. Now, that being said, because I have been doing this for a long time, I know that there's a particular way that you trade events, news events and so forth like this. And as you can see, I am currently in a pound dollar trade. I know I said I wasn't going to trade all week. But then I saw, something that definitely required my attention. When you trade news events or things such of this nature, you're looking for different things. You're not necessarily looking for levels, or you're looking for indicators, or you're looking for what have you. What you're looking for more sentiment. You're looking for what are the what is the market feeling? What is it anticipating? What is it afraid of? That's what you're looking for. Now, price does a pretty good job of expressing that. Such as like when volatility dries up. Liquidity dries up and volatility goes through the roof. So now that it's pretty much understood that Trump's going to be the president, this is when you would be looking for a trade after the fact. Once everything's, we're still not out of the woods. We still have a few days to let everyone wake up and come into the market and figure out what's going on. But now we can sort of feel out what's going on. Where do we think the market's going to go? How is the dollar and reacting? How's the yen reacting? I feel, sorry for those poor Japanese central bankers. They're going to have a tough go at it if the yen gets any stronger. But anyway, I'm currently in this pound dollar trade. This was my stop loss. This is my take profit. Now, if we close this bad boy out, it'll be a pretty solid trade. As you can see, price did come down to my take profit area, just did not get triggered. So, barring Donald Trump saying anything ridiculously, crazy and, dollar negative, I anticipate my take profit to be triggered. So this is what I'm in. I'll keep you guys posted, okay? Hey guys, as you guys can see, I've moved my take profit. Excuse me. I've moved my stop loss to just about break even. All right, guys. So what we're seeing here, we're seeing a reaction off of my take profit. I've moved my stop loss to break even. I'm anticipating it to continue on its journey down. So I'm still holding on to this trade. I'm not going to touch anything. And we'll see. Either I'll get taken out or my take profit will get hit. Either way, we'll just watch it play out. All right, guys. So just a quick update on this pound dollar short. I just moved my stop loss down to this level here, just above this swing high. So because there's absolutely no reason why I shouldn't grab some pips from this. But looking at the price action, I'm still feeling like, we could make another move south. Right now we're sitting, if I'm going to look at it technically, we have this area right here, which is the high of this range that it's just kind of sitting on. And we also have the action line, which is right in here. So it's kind of dancing around these two areas. Ideally, it would break the action line and then just shoot for the other side of the range. But we'll see what happens. That's kind of where I'm at right now. But either way, it'd still be profitable. Still will be a profitable session. So as long as nothing crazy happens and it jumps over my stop loss. So, all right, my trailing stop. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paid Trader. So what we are seeing here is a bounce off of our action line, to be expected. And I'm looking and hoping maybe that if we don't get stopped out right here, our trailing stop doesn't get hit, that we will continue on our journey down to the lower regions of this range here. But hey, if the trailing stop does get hit, we still, made some profit. It's better than, some folks right now that are waking up to blown accounts. So this is my election day trade. Let's see how it ultimately pans out. I'll keep you guys posted. And it looks like it looks like I'm about to be taken out. But hey, you know what? It's not bad, earning, let's see, how many pips is this? If I get taken out where I'm at here, almost 40 pips. It's not bad. Sure, 100 would have been awesome. But I'm not going to complain. Not going to complain at all. And who knows? Might not even get taken out. I've seen it happen before. And boom, there it goes. All right, so great day of election day trading. Made pretty much double what I would normally make on any given day. So that's pretty solid. And, I'm excited about that. I'm just extremely grateful that I'm not one of those folks that thought they could, predict exactly what was going to happen. When you're event trading, there is no prediction. There is no way of saying A plus B equals C, because you never know. You never know what it's going to look like at the end of the day. But luckily for me today, it looks like profits. It looks like green in the bank. Pips in the bank, baby. All right, guys. If you guys need any more information or any help, you guys know where to hit me up at. PaidTraderForex.com.